Hello fellow traders. As I pointed out in the other videos, I had this close of June, and as you can see on the monthly level, this is the lowest bar same, and the high was 1797, and we closed this above that. So we did not touch any we touched this reversal in 1945, failed to take it out. But my gut feeling is telling me this is just a monthly reaction. So I'm expecting a move up after this, and it's gonna start on this, the last of the month. Even on the daily, we might even start we'll see if we take this out, but we have all the reversals like at these kind of levels. I will point out in the private video reversals and the race, but as pointing out, it's just a reaction. I think it's a bear trap. Unfortunately, it was a big move down, and if you got in here, you should have put a stop around here, so don't lose a lot of money. And again, here I might make a trade today or tomorrow, depends on if we take 1435 out, and on the weekly it's 1420. So also we'll mention what's the daily reverse on the hour side on the top one. So good luck.